Hello everyone, I am Suruchi Soni. I am here to talk about my USCMA journey. So I started in 2021 after completing my BCom. One of my friend has recommended me IPFC Academy for the preparation of USCMA. They provided online coaching. So when I contacted them, they have cleared and explained me everything very well. I had a confusion between US CMA and Indian CMA. So as the duration of US CMA was short and some of the topics were familiar to me, so I go with US CMA. I remembered that when I attended my first class, I understood the sum of the topics only. So I was little worried that how I will complete the USCMA in the very short duration. But I decided to attend the classes regularly. So consistency has played a very important role in my USCMA journey. I was consistent, determined in my whole USCMA journey. So I started making my own notes. I started taking weekly MCQs homework. The IPFC Academy provided a very excellent feature, that is providing the MCQs and homeworks on the weekly basis. They also provide feedbacks from which we can learn from our mistakes and we can practice MCQs and homeworks. IPFC Academy also provide an excellent feature, that is timer based mocks. I literally completed my MCQ portion in exam 1 hour before, and this happened because of their timer based mocks where I learned time management. Beside this, they also provide recording after every lecture, so I rewatched videos whenever I was unclear about some of the topics. I make sure that I should have clarity in all the contents, as they will further help me in solving MCQs and essay portion. So the notes provided by IPFC Academy was very enough for the essay portion comes in exam. It was very easy, and literally I completed it in 30 minutes. Sushant Bala sir always encourage us to solve MCQs homework. I solve as many MCQs as I can. It also helps me a lot. The support provided by IPFC Academy was very encouraging. So I would like to thank IPFC Academy for their immense support and encouragement. And I would like to wish all the very best to the next CMA aspirants. Be determined, be confident, have a proper time management, be consistent in classes, solve MCQs, notes, revise notes regularly, make your own notes. Thank you so much.